Hello student, today we will design a quiz game. The working of quiz game are shown on the screen. Click on the flag. The game is start. Click on the start button. The first question is here. Answer this question. Again second question. And quiz is over. In this quiz I have only add two question. You can add more than 2, 3, 4 question here. Okay. To design this game, first we will open the Ambloc app. Open this app. This is Ambloc app. Go to coding. Then click on plus sign. Delete this. There is no requirement of panda sprite, so delete this panda sprite. Now my first step is to design a background where start button is present, or we have write on the background is a quiz start, something like that. So for this, click on this background then click on this pen. Type here start quiz. You can type here any name, maybe general knowledge quiz or science quiz. You can add any type of question here and put the name of the quiz related to your question. Okay, fine, and then save it. Now we will add a start button sprite here. For adding the start button sprite, click on the plus sign. Go to all option and then you can type here button. You can see here lot of option are present. You can choose any button, but I will choose this button. Fine. Now again we have required one more background here. For adding one more background, click on this plus sign and go to paint section. Type here question, first question. Who is the president of India in present time? Okay, type this question here, then click on OK. To adjust this question, Fine. Okay. Present time. Present type is in new line. Present. Here P should be small. Time. Fine. And then save it. Okay. Also rename this backdrop with start. And the name of this backdrop is question 1. Then save it. Okay, fine. Now start coding for start button. Our first command is when flag click. Whenever the flag is clicked, our game will be start with start backdrop. Go to look section and there is a command switch backdrop to start. Put this command here. Now next command, go to event section. Whenever this sprite is clicked, our backdrop should be switched to question. Our backdrop should be switched to question backdrop, question 1 backdrop, question 1 backdrop. Okay, look at here the working. Whenever flag is clicked, our first window is start window, and when we click on the start button, next backdrop is show here. But look at here, there is start button is also present. This should not be present in second window, that is quiz question 1 window. To hide this button, add a command here. When backdrop switch to question 1, this button should be hide. There is a hide command here. Use this command, adjust it. Again start the game. Look, it's fine. Now we will add three buttons here. To add these buttons, click on this plus sign, go to all option, type here button, I will choose empty button 9 here. Choose this button. Again one more button. Here I have put 3 options for this question. That's why I will select 3 button here. Same button. Next one. Fine. This is our first, second option and third option. You can add here 4 option also as your choice. Now added this button, click on this pen to added the button. And type the name here. Our first option is Rahul Gandhi. Adjust this. Increase the size of the button and then adjust it here, then save it. Okay, now second option is, click on the second option and then again edit it. Type here. Our second option is Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. Okay, fine, and adjust it. Increase the size of the button, reduce the size of the text and adjust it on this button and then save it. Okay, our color is changed. Choose here purple color and then save it. This is purple. Yes, fine. Now next option is, click on this next button and then our next option is Ramnath Kovind. Kovind. Choose the hair color purple and then adjust it. First we will increase the size of the button. And adjust this text on the button and then save it. Fine. Now start coding for these 3 buttons. Our first option is this is our first and this is our last button. Ramnath Kovind. Now we will start coding for Ramnath Kovind button. First is, when flag click, this sprite should be hide. When event is occur, that means when backdrop switch to question 1 backdrop, this button should be show on the screen. fine. And next command should be when this option is touch. That means when this sprite is touch, this sprite is clicked, what should happen? Is this right or wrong option? This is right option. There should be a right screen that should be shown on the phone. एक राइट स्क्रीन शो होनी चाहिए जैसे ही हम इस बटन पे क्लिक करें. ओके, सो फॉर दिस we have required two more backdrops here. One is for correct and other is for wrong option. Type here correct, other is for wrong. Then save it. Okay, also rename this type with correct. Other is save it, other with the naming of wrong. And then save it. Okay, fine. Now again go to this sprite. Whenever this sprite is clicked, this is Ramnath Kovind. This is the right option. Then what should be happen? Our correct backdrop should be show. For this, go to look section, switch backdrop to correct, wait for few seconds, wait for 1 second, then go to next backdrop. Then again add another backdrop here. This is question 2 backdrop. Type here question 2. Question 2 is who is the Prime Minister of India in present time. We will type this in new line. In time. And then save it. Again look at here. Our first command is whenever flag click this button Ramnath Kovind, this option should be shown, does not shown on the screen. For this we have used here hide command. when backdrop switch to question 1, this option should be shown on the screen. That's why we have used here show command. And then when this button is clicked, when this sprite is clicked, switch backdrop to correct, wait for 1 second, and then again backdrop should be switched to question 2. Question 1 and question 2. Fine. Now look at the working. Start button is not shown on the screen. Go to start and look at here. Add a command here. Whenever click switch backdrop to start and show, it should be show. Go to look section, type here a command show, again start. Okay, whenever we click on the start button, our quiz is start and first question of the quiz is display on the screen. Now whenever click on the right option, Ramnath Coffin, a correct screen is first show a correct screen, and then second question is display on the screen. Okay, fine. All three same all these command we will add, we will copy in other sprite. Paste here, again paste here, next copy this sprite and paste here, also paste here. Now copy this sprite and paste here and paste here. Okay, you know that last two options are wrong, that is Rahul Gandhi and Narendra Modi option are wrong. For this we will modify a small modification is done in this code. Replace correct with wrong window. Choose here wrong backdrops. Also choose here wrong backdrop. Now again start the game. Click on the start button. Here three question is display and three options are display. Let us select a wrong option. Whenever wrong screen is display, this option is also display here. Okay, look at here. Whenever we click on any option, wrong or correct screen is shown respectively on the screen, but these three options are also show here. That time these options should be hide. To hide these options, go back and use a command whenever backdrop switch to correct screen, go to look section and hide this option. Okay, even though whenever backdrop switch to wrong screen, then hide this option. Similarly, switch to wrong screen, hide this option. Now again check, start, choose any, OK. One option is remaining. To avoid this, again we will add here both right and wrong command. Copy this command, create a duplicate and choose here option wrong. Same here, duplicate and choose here option correct. Duplicate, create a duplicate and choose here option correct. Okay, now again run it. Start, any option wrong. Okay, fine. Now we will add 3 more options for question 2. For adding 3 more options by same way, again we will add 3 sprite. Add 3 sprite here, one more sprite, add this here, another one more sprite, okay, fine. Now we will add these sprite. Type here, first we increase the size of the button and then type here, first option is Arvind Kejriwal. You know this is wrong option. Reduce this and adjust this here and save it. Now next is first we increase the size of the button. Now added text here, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. And then save it. Next option is increase the size. Rahul Gandhi. And then save it. Now there is a requirement of another backdrop, that is AND game. Now go to backgrounds and add here another backdrop. that is type here and game or and quiz. And quiz. Okay. Also name it as and then save it. Fine. Now same code you have type here, copy these code in other three sprite, make a duplicate, no, copy and paste here, paste in another, again paste. Next command is whenever backdrop switch to here question backdrop is switched from question 1 to question 2, replace here question with 1 with question 2 and then copy this sprite to remaining 2 sprite. Yes, here another here, and then next command is whenever backdrop switch to wrong, this should be hide, this will be remain same, this command will remain same, hide and hide. Similarly for correct, paste here, paste, paste. Fine. Now whenever this sprite click, copy this and paste here. Look at here, whenever this sprite click, check out this is Arvind Kejriwal, that means this is wrong option. Whenever this sprite click, wrong backdrop is shown here for 1 second and the switch backdrop to question 1 from question 1 to and the quiz. Okay, if you have add here one more question, then you can switch to question 3 screen. Okay, and so on, you can add more and more question here by similar method. Now again copy this sprite and paste here, check out, this is Rahul Gandhi, this is also a wrong option, another, paste here, check out, this is Narendra Modi and this is right option, choose a correct window. Now start the quiz, start the game, choose any option, this is wrong option, this is right option and game is over. Now we will use a extra feature here, we want to add a sound whenever you reply either correct answer or either wrong answer, there should be a sound. To adding the sound, go to sound option and start sound pop, use this command here and put this command here, and for the correct answer, cheer, use this cheer sound, that means this clapping sound here, Okay, again go to sound. For wrong answer, use this sound. You can use any sound here, but I just want to show how to add the sound. Then okay, as same here, go to sound option and select the sound, any sound you want to add here, select it. This is also wrong option, use a sound. For this one also, this is correct answer, use a chair sound. Okay, fine. Now again start the game. Fine. Now we have also add the score here. To adding the score, first we will create a score variable. Initialize this score variable with 0 value. Whenever flag click, initially the score value have 0. Okay, or whenever we reply correct answer, the score will change with 10. Change score with the value 10. You can add here 1 marks for one question or 5 marks for one question. I have add here 10 marks for one question. Okay, same, another correct option, find. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is correct. Go to variable section, change score by 10 and save it. Now again start the quiz. Okay, now start the quiz. Initially our score is 0. You can see on the screen here. Now give a right answer here. Look at, our score is increased by 10. Now give again right answer. Now our score is 20. Okay, fine. This quiz game is complete. You can add here more than 2 questions. Okay, fine. Thank you, class.